Get rid of old and new wrinkles using just 2 ingredients. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Consider subscribing, hit the red subscribe button, also turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you come and watch. So like you see from the title, Vaseline with baking soda is going to do amazing for you. Your skin is just going to be looking the best, like seriously. You want to remove existing wrinkles, you want to delay the signs of aging, you want to get rid of any further wrinkles. Keep on watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video to everyone. So let me go ahead and show you a secret to achieve a younger looking skin, very smooth skin, flawless looking skin. To get rid of new wrinkles, to prevent future wrinkles, you have to get banana. So we're actually going to make use of banana peel. Ensure you wash it thoroughly to remove dirt. Banana will help to tighten a loose skin. Make sure your skin is firm, boosting collagen of the skin, and so preventing wrinkles. So this is what we're going to use, as I said earlier. There are 2 ways to make this banana peel, to turn it into a paste. Either you use your blender, cut it into pieces, blend it into a paste, or you use your grater, okay, which I'm going to do right now. So I was able to get just a little amount. Little goes a long way anyway. Just go ahead and get your baking soda. Baking soda is very exfoliating and helps to take care of your skin. This is amazing. It will help to get rid of dead skin cells, revealing a new skin. So I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of baking soda. Okay. The next one we have here is sugar. Sugar is full of powerful enzymes. It's a powerful compound that helps to nourish your skin, make your skin very smooth, tighten a loose skin, and so removing wrinkles. It will also help to fade away dark spots, removing dead skin cells as well. 1 tablespoon of sugar is perfect. You can also make use of a brown sugar, not only the white type. So I'm going to go right now to mix like this. This remedy needs something that we turn it into a paste, okay? So this is the time to add Vaseline, yeah, and that is because of the baking soda. You know, baking soda can be harsh for those that have a sensitive skin. That is why most people always complain about baking soda not good for the skin. I actually make use of baking soda a lot, like a lot, on my skin, and the result is amazing. So if you have a sensitive skin, you can dilute it with Vaseline, and Vaseline on itself is very powerful. It's a very good moisturizer. We help to lock in moisture, preventing dryness, you know, making sure your skin is not dried out. If you have a dry skin, this is perfect. If you have a sensitive skin, just go ahead and add little of it to dilute the baking soda. Little is enough to go round. Okay, so just go ahead and mix and mix. So you just have to try this and you see the effectiveness. It works perfectly. You want to always look younger, like everyday young, go ahead and make use of these natural ingredients and you see the perfect results. Banana peel is amazing, keeping you fresh, keeping your skin well tighter. So I will go right now to show you how to apply it on that skin of yours. Like you can apply it on your face, all over your body for effective results. So go ahead and wash the affected area you want to treat. Then go ahead and apply this treatment just like this. As you apply it, you have to scrub. Apply it upwardly, to keep your skin well firm. The ingredients are very exfoliating. The sugar in it will do your skin a good job. Apply under your eyes gently and do not scrub it. Do not scrub around your eyes. Apply on your neck as well to keep it away from wrinkles. Okay? So this treatment is powerful. Apply it every day or 3 times weekly for effective results. You have to store the remaining one in the refrigerator. It lasts in the fridge maximum of 5 days. After that, you make another one. Banana peel is super amazing. It's going to help a lot to get rid of those new wrinkles and also prevent future wrinkles. I'm going to leave it on for 15 minutes. You can leave it on all through the night, okay? The next day, wash it off. So after 15 minutes, I will use a cleanser to wash it off. And I'm all good. You will need a cleanser or soap to wash it off because Vaseline can be sticky, okay? Especially if you have an oily skin like mine. Go ahead and make use of this and you love it a lot. I'll leave it on and wash it off later. I'll be right back. After washing it off, do not pat dry. Allow the water to still be on your skin. This is very important because for those that want to apply a moisturizer, but you don't need a moisturizer because of the Vaseline in it. Okay, the Vaseline is still on it even after washing it off with a cleanser. This is going to do your skin very good. So preventing wrinkles, removing dark spots, keeping your skin flawless and with no blemish. Apply this treatment as I said every day or 3 times weekly for best results. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. Give it a thumbs up and share it to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.